Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey blocks. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need 4 glass bottles to collect honey from a beehive or bee nest. These are easily crafted from 3 glass blocks. Additionally, a crafting table is crucial for combining your collected honey into the final block. Finding a natural beehive or bee nest is your first step towards sweet success. Once you've located a full beehive or bee nest, it's time to collect the honey. Make sure you have your glass bottles ready. With a bottle in your hand, simply right-click on the beehive. This action will fill 1 glass bottle with honey. You'll need to repeat this process 4 separate times to gather the 4 honey bottles required for 1 honey block. Now that you have 4 honey bottles, it's time to craft your honey block. Open your crafting table by right-clicking it. Inside the crafting interface, you'll see a 3x3 grid. Place 1 honey bottle into each of the 4 available slots in the 2x2 crafting area. This specific arrangement will reveal the honey block in the output slot, ready for you to take. Honey blocks offer several unique properties in Minecraft. When entities walk on them, their movement speed is reduced by 60%, making them excellent for traps or slowing down mobs. Landing on a honey block also reduces fall damage by a significant 80%. Furthermore, items and entities stick to their sides, preventing them from sliding off. They can also be pushed by pistons, moving adjacent blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.